공공장소와 일상을 영어로 스몰톡하며 스마트하게 소통하는 노하우 함께 익혀보시죠.
I study at school.
I study at school.
I study at school.
I study at school.
I study at the library.
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 I study at home.
I study at home.
I study at home.
I study at home.
I study in the classroom.
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 I study at a cafe.
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 I study at work.
I study at work.
I study at work.
I study at work.
I study at a private academy.
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 I study at the park.
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 I study at my friend's house.
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 I study in my dorm.
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 I study at the university.
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 I study in Korean class.
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 I study in English 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 class.
I study in the computer lab.
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 I study in a study room.
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 I study in the office.
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 I study at home in the morning.
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 I study at the library in the evening.
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 I study at a cafe on the weekend.
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 I study at school on weekdays.
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 I study in the classroom in the morning.
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 I study at the library in the afternoon.
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 I study at home at night.
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 I study at the academy on Saturdays.
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 I study at home on Sundays.
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 I study with a friend at the library.
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 I study with my teacher in the classroom.
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 I study by myself at home.
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 I study at school every day.
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 I study at the library every week.
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 I study at school on Mondays.
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 I study at the library on Tuesdays.
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 I study at home on Wednesdays.
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 I study at a cafe on Thursdays.
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 I study in the classroom on Fridays.
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 I study in a study room on Saturdays.
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 I study in my dorm on Sundays.
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 I study at home during school breaks.
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 I study at the library before exams.
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 I study in the classroom after class.
I study in the classroom after class.
I study in the classroom after class.
I study in the classroom after class.